so much easier from here.
Oh, it's so buttery.
There he goes.
There he goes. Ah, you can't even see him though.
Oh my god.
Good morning, young Groms. Right now I'm going for my daily run, and I'm actually running to the point break, and we're gonna go check it out. Made it to the point break. Doesn't really look that good right now. Runar let me know that my tide website was totally wrong, and yeah, I basically have no idea what the tides are. He was saying morning versus night, but I'm not even really sure what people describe the morning, because it's like 9 a.m. right now. To most of the Icelandic, that's the morning. To me, that's like midday. But yeah, this is crazy. My hand's about to fall off over here.
Looks so much easier from here.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Watch out, there's rocks, dude.
All right, guys, a little update. We are back in our like super cozy hotel for the after the session. Got crazy out there. The storm is blowing. Everything's wild. I gotta just say, I'm having the best time on these trips. I feel like I'm doing some of the best surfing. Like, I feel like I know this left. I've surfed it like multiple times now, and I feel like I've kind of got it dialed, and I feel like really in touch with my surfboard, in touch with the ocean, where I'm standing on the board and just like how to get speed, and the surfboard kind of feels like an extension of me. So I'm really stoked on that. I am doing some uploading. The boys are actually out surfing again, but as you guys know, I've been posting every single day. So to get this video up for tomorrow, like I gotta freaking hustle and I gotta keep going. Can't surf all day. Like that's just a luxury I don't have because I'm trying to make this vlog happen. But what I am thinking about doing, because the tide's gonna get bad, is I think I'm gonna get out and potentially snowboard. So I'm stoked. All right, here I am, young Groms, once again, trying to live out my dream of becoming a backcountry snowboarder. It's super windy. I actually hiked up from the hotel, which is basically at sea level. It's so windy. It's pretty crazy, but there's this like avalanche that's like protecting the town and all this stuff up there. Pretty cool. My plan was to go down those trees, but I don't know. It's kind of hard getting over there. Like, what is this? Yeah, so I'm actually gonna snowboard down this little path right here and then continue, hopefully, up this bridge right here. It looks buttery. I didn't know what time this little adventure started, but I feel like I've been hiking for maybe like 30 minutes and we finally reached the good stuff. Just looks kind of gnarly up above. You can see the fjord behind me. This mountain looks like it's just avalanche central. They call it a snow flood here. I'm out of breath. But this is what I love about life, just moving, exercising. I surfed today for like 2 hours and like had to run back to the hotel half a mile, and I already did my run, and I just love having this like crazy Energizer Bunny endurance. So let's keep walking and get up to the jump point. We've hiked up about as far as I can go. It's less tree coverage over here, so the freaking wind is just cranking. I have one more little gully to cut across. I'm gonna cut over that way, and yeah, and then I'm gonna go down. Let's do this. Maybe I should have waited for a less windy day, but it's not very steep. I think I can do this. Let's go for it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Yoo. This is so much powder. I don't even really know how to do it. Yeah, we're doing it. We're kind of doing it. Oh, it's so buttery. I am in my wetsuit right now, super tired, and we're going out for another sesh. It's gonna be a quick one though.
Jesus Christ.
What are we doing right now?
I don't know. Are you sure?
Yeah, just a quick sesh.
It doesn't look good.
Because I'm pretty sure the waves aren't gonna be that good, but come July 1st, that's up in like 2 months, I'm gonna be wishing I surfed. I'm gonna be a resident. I'm gonna be working like 80-hour work weeks, and yeah, so we gotta surf now while we can.
I did one for Mark today where I just like slammed on the brakes. Just like how it works. That was breaking like right on the inside.
Look at that one.
You think the swell's going?
Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. That's pretty good. Maybe with this tide, it's a little more makeable. I don't know. All right. The wind is getting dark and the sun is setting, but we're just gonna jump in. It's not great, but I surfed this morning. The boys went and surfed another session while I was snowboarding. I'm just trying to get my last licks in. I'm gonna be a resident in 2 months, and I gotta have fun while I can. Let's do this.
All right, young Groms, we're about to watch a crazy man intent on self-destruction climb down a grassy cliff and into some frozen waves. Shall we? Okay. There he is out there, about to climb down a windy cliff. That last one. Oh, there you go. There you go. You can't even see him with all the fog and stuff. Oh my God, it's gone. Oh God. Oh, don't do it, don't do it. No. Oh, we got hit. Is he up?
No.
Oh, this is it.
Right there.
There it
This
is.
the one.
This is it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Recording?
Yep. Don't even see it.
See him. There he goes.
There he goes. You can't even see him though.
Oh my God.
I can't even see him.
He's right there.
Oh, there he is.
See him? And now he's gonna get.
Oh.
Gets over the shoulder. That's a long one.
That's a session right there. Super gnarly, like right before sunset. I was like, yeah, I'll just paddle out, catch a few. But I got out there, still had a ton of size. And yeah, thank God the boys were spotting me on the cliff because it was sketchy out there. Caught a few, and then I caught a long one, and then a set came, and it washed me like literally a quarter mile down the point. I don't know if you guys could see me, like, because I saw you drive past me just now.
Yeah, we saw you.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But yeah, I was like, got blown all the way down to this cove. But sixth session, let's get back and warm up. All right, guys, some of those waves definitely put the fear of God in me. Saw a little seal pup pop up next to me, but he was actually pretty cute. And yeah, I think we're gonna go get an ice cream cone.
Okay.
We're looking for the ice cream cone.
Grill 66 does not have hot dogs available today.
No.
There's no.
Is it
Oh, they're right
closed?
in the window. Should we break the door down?
Chef Ben, big props. Cooked up some questionable codfish. Came out very strong.
50% off.
It's 50% off at the grocery store. We had to jump on the deal.
free rice from the camper site.
Yeah, we're balling. This is our last day in the hotel here. We got our wetsuits drying over here and over there, and we're back to the van tomorrow. It's been awesome in here. The place literally feels like a mansion. We're tired. We surfed, then we snowboarded, then I did that solo session, then we had a good fish dinner, and now it's time for bed.